begin. Today, just want us to cover a bit about plagiarism. That's all for today. I don't want to take a lot of your time. Just a bit about plagiarism, and we have a look about how you go about Turnitin. So just those two things, because I can see we just work with the number that we have already. Yeah. So that will be basically what I'll be teaching you today. How to how to use Turnitin and the and the and all about plagiarism. So plagiarism is presenting someone else's work or ideas as your own with or without their consent by incorporating into your work without full acknowledgement. So like when you just copy information from maybe a journal article and you fail to acknowledge them, that is called plagiarism. You can see with or without your consent. So even if you don't know that you're supposed to acknowledge someone who has maybe done that article with or without your consent. So if you know and if you don't know, it those consequences apply to both of you. So you can find someone maybe does not know that you're supposed to acknowledge someone's idea by citing them. Another one may know and they fail to do that. So if you fail to do that, whether you know or you don't, that's considered an offense. That is what is called plagiarism in academic writing. So in our context, we'll be talking about plagiarism. We refer to the act of copy pasting more than 3 words that follow each other consecutively from any source. So from any source, when you're copy pasting, that's why I was discouraging about copy pasting. Because when you copy paste more than 3 words that follow each other consecutively, that paper becomes plagiarized. It will be plagiarized, and we don't accept plagiarized papers in academic writing. So you must ensure that your paper doesn't have any plagiarism. Okay, yeah. So just remember that when you copy paste any information from any source, may it be a website, may it be a book, may it be an article, automatically I will know. Okay, because you have plagiarism checkers like Turnitin. There are still others, but Turnitin is the most common and accurate one that we use in academic writing. So, however, Turnitin is a bit tricky, and it's not it's how do I put it? It's a bit sensitive. So when you come about using it, it's a bit sensitive. That's why I did not give you the logins for Turnitin, because it's a bit sensitive. So when using it, I'll show you how to use it, but I'll be giving you the credentials later, not today or tomorrow, but I'll be giving you them the course of the week, maybe when we start the tasks. But for now, I'll just show you how to use it, and you'll be very keen. Notice whatever I'm doing, so that we go together. Yeah. So first of all, what you need to do is come to your browser and you type Turnitin in your browser. Let's say you're using Chrome or any other browser. Type in Turnitin. Now, as for me, you can see I had already logged in. So I'm already logged in. So after I give you the credentials, you'll be able to log in. Okay. Let me first log out so that I can take you to the website that you see how it looks. Yeah. So this is how it looks like. So I want to log in, so I just come here, log in. I want to log in. So I use my credentials and the password. Now you can see now I've logged in into my Turnitin account. So after you've logged in, this is where you will be redirected. Yeah, this is where you get your classes. Now a class is where you add is where you have your sections where you can upload your paper to be checked for plagiarism. Okay, yeah, so let us just select any class here we use it. You just click on the class name. Make sure you're clicking on the class name, not any other thing. The class name. So click on that. So here, when you want to upload a paper under actions, under the actions tab, click on the view. So you can decide whichever you want to use. For my case, I'll just use this one. It's your choice, depending on the one that you want to use. Now, when I'm here, when I'm here, this is where now the page that I'll be able to upload my paper. Okay, so let me go back. Let's maybe use let's just this one. This is where I'll be able to upload my paper, and after that it will give me a plagiarism report. So you just click on submit file. When you want to upload a new paper, click on submit file. This is the form that will pop up. So here, just leave it as it is. So first name, just come up with any name. Yeah, the goal here is to make sure you submit the paper. So just any name, come up with any name, and then the submission title of that paper. Maybe you say pledge report. Yeah, then you choose your paper from this computer. I want to use one of the papers. So again, let me use one of your papers. So let me pick that, upload it to yeah, just click upload. And again, after uploading, you must confirm. Just click on confirm. You can see it's telling you yeah, so click on confirm. So after that, now you can refresh this page. So let's go back so that you can see our paper. Ah, so click here, view. You can see it's here. So pledge report, you can see yeah, 7% similarity. So it means you did copy from somewhere. Yeah, this one we have submitted right now, right? Yeah, so you click on here so that you can view it on a blank, on another page. Just maximize that. So let's try and see where the plagiarism report is coming from. So yeah, so for these ones, now you notice that the in cases where we have plagiarism, they are sometimes highlighted using red, other times blue, green. Yeah, so you find that it's highlighted with different color. So it's only 7%. Yeah. Okay. So these some of them you can ignore, like student's name, institution, because these uh, these are format, because now there are many papers in course hero, in maybe other databases that have the same format, because it's ML8. That's why you are noticing that it's plagiarized. So away from that, now let's go to the checking where the plagiarism is coming from on this paper. So you can notice here. So World War II, we can that is we can just ignore that, because it's something well known. Now something which you can bring about your attention is this one. You see this one. I'm able even to know where you got the information from. See, just click there, so you can see course hero submitted to Spring. So this is the you can see that paper again. Iowa internet source. These are internet, as I was saying. You can see it's clearly telling me where I got the information from. Yeah. So you need to paraphrase whatever has been plagiarized. Okay. Let's go again and check another internet source. You can see. Okay. Let's check another one. Again, you can see. So you need to have a better. You need to paraphrase that sentence. What I'm always advising is that now in plagiarism, as I had said earlier, when you have more than 3 words that are consecutively following each other, and you did maybe copy paste them from any source, automatically it becomes plagiarized. Okay, when you run it through Turnitin, it becomes plagiarized. Now you can see the other ideas. Yes, you got them somewhere from the internet, but you did paraphrase them. So now you don't have any plagiarism issues. Again, you can see it's still the same thing. Now this student paper. So let's get rid of that. So you can download these you can download this paper. I mean, I'll be showing you how. So yeah, you can see here it's giving you the download option. So when you download, it will download the report for you. Yeah, just say the current view, because now this one is the one that has a plagiarism report. So just copy that, click on download. Yeah, or if you don't want to download, you can just notice where you have where you want to get rid of the plagiarism, and you just go and change that in your paper, and then you upload the paper again. Okay. Yeah, so let's wait. So let me save it here. Yeah, pledge report. I'll just save it here. So that is how you do your plagiarism. So after that, you can just close this. So another thing I want to emphasize is that after you can see it's even linked to download it from here. So after you have checked your plagiarism and it's okay, you need to delete your paper. Yeah. So because what I'm always advising people is that we share these credentials with a number of writers. So you can find maybe you have an assignment that is similar to a writer and you're sharing the same Turnitin account. So they can steal that from you. When they steal, some malicious writers, they might want to steal your work. Now when they steal your work from you, your work becomes, and they submit before you, your work becomes 100% plagiarized. Yeah, you can see. So that's why I'm always advising. After you're done with running the plagiarism report, delete. Okay. Yeah, you delete. Yeah, so you can see it's gone. Yeah, so that's a thing to note. Make sure you delete after you've downloaded your plagiarism report. Make sure you delete that paper because it will bring up some issues if you just leave it there. Some malicious writers can come and pick them. Yeah, so it's not good.